All right, this is my 16 videos and the last recording for the midterm presentation. Now I am having my own YouTube channel, thanks to you guys. Anyway, I know only Kaltum Wei watch this video and the rest they will just basically ignore this video. So, here is the presentation for you. And this one, we just say, you need to create new style sheet for TCS company. They just want to have a better style. So that is the thing that they gave you. You need to follow this. And here is the instruction start from J. It said open tcs.rtf. You need to open that. So let's go ahead and open it out. Okay, it is in chapter 4. TCS RTF. So this one, RTF, rich text format. So we just need to look at this. Oh, that is how it looks like. It's an instrument. All right. Oh, only one page. Cool. For some reason, okay, there we go. It's an assignment, so we already look it. And it said TCS time was initially created. So the file that we just look at, it is the file that they created, and we need to update it, modify it to meet the new style sheet specification. To meet this one, according to this, we need to create a new file for them. That is what they are trying to tell us. So we need to create a new style for Trinos computer solution using the computer house style specification and sheet. It is the table 4.2. All right, so we are just going to apply the title, subtitle, and then set head, body, table, footer, and header, basically everything. So let's go and work it out. Let me split the screen. Since this one is, there we go. I need to look at both document at the same time. Okay, let me zoom this one out a little bit too. 130. All right, it just looks fine now. 130. The first thing, TCS title. So this is the title. TCS is a font sans serif. Just saying into serif. And the font size should be 24. Do we want to make it bigger? And alignment is center from the right. Enhancement, bold, and align. So we need to bold here. And it doesn't mention about italic, so remove that. And we need to underline that. Here we go. Space before 0 point, space after 0 point, line spacing single. So where is line spacing thing? This is 2 arrow up and down. This is the line spacing. So we need to go to line spacing option. It's a before and after, it should be 0, 0. So make this 0 point. Instead of multiple, choose single line and click OK. There we go. It become a little bit closer. And the next one is subtitle. Which one is subtitle? This one. It is the subtitle. Just change that into sans serif. Sans serif. We only have this one, sans serif collection. We are going to use this. And the font size is 16 instead of 11. There we go. And we need to make it center. Italic. 0 and 6. Line spacing difference. So go to line spacing option again, 0 and 6. Instead of multiple, choose single line. Press OK. There we go. That's how it looks like. The next one is TCS subhead. What is a subhead? This. The small heading inside a page. inside a document after the title and subtitle. Those are called subheads or subheading. So I'm going to select all of the that have, oh, okay, we only have 3. And change the font into sans serif collection. And then make the font size into 14. Align them to the center. Make it bold. All right, and line spacing option 0.6. So before is 0 and after is 6. And single line spacing. Press OK. Okay. And the next one is TCS body. So the body is basically all the paragraph except the heading. But it doesn't mention about the table here. So we are just going to leave the table like this because we have these specifications for table later. All right, the body is also sans serif collection. And the font size is 12. Wow, what just happened? Is it even correct? I guess so. Let's check. Control Z, go back twice. Sans serif. Yeah, it just become too big. And font size is 12. And it should be fully justified. So this is the justify things. Control J. And enhancement none. So we don't need to make bold, italic, or underline. And line spacing, we need to change it into 0, 0 before and after. And it said line spacing 1.5 instead of single or multiple. Choose 1.5, click OK. Wow, now it just become too big. It break the page into 2 pages. All right, the next one is the table. So how do you select all the thing inside table? Just press this little square looking icon. There we go. That is how you select everything inside table. And the font size is serif. All right. The point is 12, so it's already 12. You don't need to change. And it's a align left. Ooh. And the text should be italic. Line spacing, space point, 0, 0. Okay. And single, wow. We don't need to change anything at all. All right, that is how it looks like. And the next thing is footer. So let's find out the footer. In the footer, we have Wednesday, December 18. And okay, so we need to change the font size into serif 2. Go to home, serif, and the font point into 10. Make it smaller, none. Alignment is none. We need to make it italic. Okay, we need to make some changes to the spacing, 0, 0, and single. Okay. Not a big change though. All right, the next one is the header. The header is this one. And we are going to change the font into serif again. Here we go. And the font size is also 10. Okay. The enhancements is bold and italic. Let's check the spacing option. 0, 0, single, perfect. Click OK. Okay, so that is the outcome, how it look like. But look at this, it's a little bit weird here. So let's move this table down. Ooh, too much. Okay, a little bit down. There we go. It looked better than before, right? The line spacing it's just not right. Looking really bad here. Okay, anyway, this is what they wanted. All right, there is something here. It said, except for row 1 and 2. So in table, what did we do? We made left align, italic. So basically, it's mean we don't need to change the whole table here. So I'm going to undo that. It was centered before, right? It said, except for row 1 and 2 here, the rest should be changed accordingly. So this is row number 1 and it is row number 2. We are not going to change that, but the rest of the text, make it italic and left align. All right, that is, I guess. Yeah. It is how the table should look like. All right. Quite easy, huh? So that is all for this. I hope you can do better than mine in your midterm examination anyway. All right, good luck. I will see you in the exam room, and if you need any help, I will be there to assist you. Don't worry, cheer up. I know you can do it. See you in class.